Time to rebound. Make yourself sneeze. You're supposed to be. Your 3 minutes, your time starts now. Hey. Just start shoving shit up my nose.
What do you got there?
Red and black pepper.
All right.
Don't discriminate. Sorry.
You're good.
It's not doing that.
20 seconds.
I guess.
10.
I'm so close.
Time's up.
Oh, so far, none of these are working.
Please face the camera.
Hey Google, how do I make myself sneeze?
I found a few articles on the Google Help Center that might answer your question. I sent them in a notification to your phone.
I don't have that set up. Nope. Anyways, chocolate. Maybe that was working. Oh no, I'm just kidding. What, sneeze? Nothing. I got nothing. I can't sneeze. No, I don't want the smell of pepper in my nose. I'm done.
3 minutes, starting now.
Where do you keep your spices?
In a cupboard.
I don't really get that. Cumin, red pepper. We'll just use pepper. Maybe. Or not. For a minute, I guess.
Minute and 35
Yeah,
seconds.
35 seconds is what I have. I think as soon as the timer's up, I'm going to sneeze. That's what's going to happen.
Yeah.
Probably what's going to happen.
I mean, if you want, I can get you some seafood really quick. That'll make you sneeze, right?
Oh, my throat would close up.
Oh, that's the opposite.
Yeah, that's not what I want. You go to the hospital and it's not fun.
So you're not really fighting for this right now.
It's not going to happen until pretty much when the time's up. 7, 6, 3, 2, 1.
Stop timer.
I can't sneeze. I'm going to go in there and sneeze. I know what's going to happen.
Okay. Above the air fryer.
What's the air fryer? Because I don't have an air fryer.
Ooh, you need an air fryer.
Let's see. I didn't do anything that smells good though. Usually if the lights are bright enough. Oh no. How do you make yourself sneeze? Let me just try to sniff some stuff. Do you have some strong stuff in here?
Everything you need to know is in the text.
I'm gonna start sniffing stuff. That's not it. Oh man. I'm really excited to see see how everybody else did this. Pepper. It's gotta be a real one?
Gotta be a real one. Or a convincing fake one, I guess.
I'm trying to remember why I sneezed or what. Did everyone complete the task?
No.
Well, pepper's not doing it for me. Maybe some red pepper? Oh, it doesn't smell very fun. What else we got up in here? I'm hungry. What does parsley smell like?
You have 50 seconds.
Man, let me think here. Oh, spicy. Oh, that makes me hungry. That smells delicious. Cajun Creole. That sounds really good. Come on. Make it happen.
Time's up.
Well, that's unfortunate.
Those. Maybe. Seasoning. Do you have just pepper?
Mm-hmm.
With onion powder. Don't want to sniff that. No. No. I sneeze all the time.
43 seconds.
I think it's gonna happen.
10 seconds.
Shit. Oh, no. Why didn't I think of this? Oh.
Time's up. What were you doing?
Q-tip. You shoved up your nose.
Oh. Covered there?
That actually went in my nose. That was not the intention. It's in my throat. Do you use these?
They're getting tossed out now.
I don't know what's gonna happen now. I think the more that you think about it, the worse you can't.
Okay. It's a good theory.
I mean, I could just fake sneeze, but that's not the whole point of it.
I mean, everything you need's in the text.
It's been actually. Shit!
3, 2, 1.
Oh, this song is. Okay. You ever do cocaine?
Everything you need is in the text.
There's cocaine in the text. Well, this is bullshit. I just snorted pepper for no reason!
This is why I had Brew go first.
into this thing of spices. Oh.
And for future contestants, we're going to leave all these out, and I will be cleaning them at the end of this.
Why is that?
Just in case.
Cayenne pepper.
One minute left.
I legitimately snorted pepper, and it's burning, but I'm not going to sneeze. Yeah. Oh, man.
25 seconds.
I only made myself bleed with it.
Oh,
so, you
AJ, what the hell?
I made it to win it! No sneeze, only blood. I lose.
It's a Festivus miracle.
Yeah.
Well, you got another 8 seconds.
Just like Saint Mary. Yeah. You bleed from your sinuses after you snort things.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. It's Festivus.
Stop timer.